Hello everyone, it's Wednesday once again, and I hope you are all safe wherever you are right now while watching this video. So I'm gonna be doing a very quick but useful technique in design using Illustrator. I have been doing this tricks and tips for under 5 minutes in our previous video episode. So you're watching Frame 316 YouTube channel, and my name is Robert. I'm a content creator, and my passion is to help you become content creators. So for today, if you are a graphic designer, I have here a sample logo, an artwork, a vector logo that I downloaded from freepik.com. So one scenario that a logo designer would encounter is while presenting your finished logo, you might encounter issues such as not having the proper color tones for your video. So in this case, this is a very practical and straightforward tip for this type of logo. But if you're working on a very complex logo design, this is more helpful for you. So I'm just gonna show you the Recolor Artwork feature of Adobe Illustrator. So I'm using the 2020 version of Adobe Illustrator. So right here, let's say this is your logo that you sent to your client, and let's say I'm gonna just zoom in here. Let's say the tone of this purple or maroon needs to be in this tone as provided by your client. So somehow you got it wrong, or your graphic designer was not able to use the exact value. So how you do that is you can either go in and find that actual drawing just by double clicking until you find that exact drawing, which in this case is two basic shapes here. So that's the usual thing that you would do. But as the complexity of your logo becomes more pronounced in any design, that would be a very difficult and time-consuming process. So what you need to do here is, let's say the first thing that I need to do is to get the value of this color by using my fill value here. I'm gonna double click, and now that I have the value, I just have to copy this, which is what I'm gonna be using for my new color set. Okay, oops, sorry about that. So right now, zooming out, what I need to do next is I just have to select my logo, and Illustrator have this Recolor Artwork tool here. So if I'm just gonna click that and going back to my screen in full view, so what you're having here is there's an array of things that you can actually do here, but I want to show you for a very specific scenario where I want to change specific colors. But just to give you a background, so what you're looking at here these are the colors that were used in this logo. It's a summary, or it's a list of the colors that you have used, and you obviously by just exploring this, you have a lot of opportunity to work on changing your colors. But specifically for this topic, what I want you to do, or what I want you to learn, is looking at this tool here, which is by trying to find the color. So let's say the client specifically wants that area there, right? So but since I have different shades of the purple and maroon here, I need to find where that specific spot is, so that I know I'm changing the right color. So I would just have to click on those specific colors, and you would notice where it's located in the drawing. So obviously this is the part that we need to change. So what you need to do is you need to untoggle the colored selection, and remember that this is the part that you need to color. And also in some cases, Recolor Art, this checkbox here, If this is unchecked, your change of color would not be working. So what I'm just gonna simply do is double click on this and copy the value of my new tone and click OK. So there you go. Now I have it specifically match to what my client have. So you can go ahead and just by trying this Recolor Artwork of Adobe Illustrator, you can begin to explore a lot of opportunities wherein you can change multiple colors in an easy interface, and that would allow you to work faster and achieve your final artwork in a small amount of time compared to digging through the drawings one by one. So that's our episode for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something from this episode. And please subscribe and share this to your graphic designer friends if they have a need to learn this tool.